guess Bengay is a different brand, right?
I don't think anybody's eating Bengay.
No. Just an icy hot feeling, you know?
And if you ever ate Bengay, let me know what it tastes like in the comments below.
Well, I hope you never did that before. NWA. I'm not smiling this whole video. I'm not even gonna lie.
You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Trinell.
And, damn, why are you so short? And, today, we're gonna try some noodles. Hot chicken flavor ramen. But, this is a little different.
It's a little catch.
It's served cold.
Yeah, it's like Bengay, you know? It's icy hot.
So, how we prepared this, pretty simple. We had to boil the noodles for about 4 minutes. And then once it was boiled for 4 minutes, you want to drain it. And then you want to wash it. And then we did one more thing. Since it's served ice cold, we dipped it in some ice water.
Stops the cooking process, huh?
Yep. So,
this is
voila.
what it looks like, huh? Finished product.
Like. Finished product. And we're gonna try it out.
God damn. It's ice cold. I'm so not used to that, though. You have to put an ice bath.
Alright, so I've never tried cold noodles. Actually, I lied. I've had leftover noodles from the refrigerator. And it was cold, and I was too lazy to microwave it, so I just ate it like that.
Is that the one that you left in your car? Is that the?
No,
okay.
That was
All
Thai
right.
food. It's a different story.
Alright.
Let's try
That's
this.
a noodle pool, huh? Holy sh!
That's pretty good.
Oh.
But, so, even though it's served cold, this thing is spicy as
Oh.
Oh man, burn.
But, however, what I will say is it's actually pretty good. So I'm gonna eat more, but
it's kind of refreshing.
Cause it's ice. It's the ice.
Yeah, it's ice because it's a summer day. But at the same time, it's like after like a couple chews, it burns your mouth.
Ooh. It's all up in my grill, yo.
It's actually not bad.
I think it works with the ice type. It helps for sure.
Yeah, I think like
If you serve this hot, I think it probably would be spicier. I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say that.
I wonder how it tastes hot. We're not gonna know, but if you want to try it out for yourself, I'm gonna put the link for this product in the comment below, so that way you can try for yourself. Make sure it's not expired. I bought this from this Asian market. I'm not gonna say who.
But I think it still tastes pretty good.
But they got expired goods and YOLO. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe.
Hit that bell notification so that way you can watch more videos just like this one.
Yes, sir.
And also share this with your families and friends. Why?
They'll love it.
And we're gonna catch you in the next video.
Peace.
Peace.